Hi, my name is Chris Okorie. I work for a company that promotes African businesses online, and that is which is the reason why I'm reaching you today. So, on my course of study for African businesses online, I came across your website, valueafricanmarket.com. Meaning that you have a hosted website online and you pay yearly and monthly yearly for the hosting and domain, depending on how the agreement is made. Though from the research I discovered that this your domain is 2 years old, of course. So I'm here to give you some improvements that can be done in order to increase your visibilities online, in order to make you to be pulling customers, because the whole essence of building a website, social medias, is just to direct traffic of customers to your store, and you can even start selling online, doing a kind of home delivery, something like shipping, all those kind of stuff, that can really make your people buying from you very interesting and easy. All right, so this is your website. I've been here, and which is the home page. So from here you can see there's a security issue here. You don't have a security system here, which is supposed to have. That is HTTPS, and this is your home page. That's supposed to be a landing. This is a fine logo. I like the logo. It's very fine, very fine. The way this is your call out number is here. Very easy for people to locate. And okay, though this place, the footer, there's nothing here, and your home page is supposed to be a kind of a landing page, a page a promotional page. That is another name for it. A promotional page where you can come and see live thing like coupons, promo, something flashy, something that's very attractive that people can really focus. These things like welcome, we bring test. These things can go to about us page. The write of why value African food. These ones can go to about. And the about us page, like something like a money order, bill pay, money transfer. These things can come up in your home page, with very bold buttons that will really be flashy, something like that. All right, and here we're supposed to have this welcome, kind of like a home. You have shop, you have maybe a beauty shop, restaurant. You can put those things here. Your location, you have 3 locations according to what I'm seeing here. So this thing has to be like a Google map, which is going to increase your visibilities online. So this homepage needs a lot of work to be done, and the footer here need a lot of work to be done too. You just need this is modern world. You need to update to modern world, because if you're not doing it, if you don't even want to do it, remember your competitors, they're already doing that. As we go along, you're going to see why I'm telling you so. So more work needs to be done here. And okay, from research I discovered that this is the company that designed it. John Hermansen is the one, and associate is the one that really did this website for you, which I think should be 2 years ago or something like that. But you have to be. There should be better thing than this. You see your beauty page, beauty product. Beauty product, see the way it is. Like I like this image, very call out. This image can come up like this. All these products you listed there: black soap, caro soap, caro whites. They need to come to be like the kind of a product that people can easily shop online. Fresh products, low prices. This should be in the home page. Very with a very good button that will really pull it up. And this image is very beautiful, so you need to utilize this image to do a kind of your banner on your homepage, and all these things go as this thing and redesign. All right, and I discovered that you also have a very good Facebook page, and people are really interested in, and a very 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 good outlet. You see the way the beautiful of your outlet, the way it is. All right, and okay, you have good pictures, great pictures. Can you imagine? These great pictures can go under your gallery, going under your gallery, flashy picture. Can you imagine? This is very beautiful pictures. So you already have the only thing now is to take pictures of each product, so that you can have online store. Just the same way you have this beautiful shop, beautiful location here, you have the same beautiful location online too, with all the products. All these products, you need their pictures one after the other, and all of them will be just, you just have an online store. Just as simple as that, having a very effective online store. And you have a great pictures on your Instagram too. very wonderful pictures here that can go online to can increase your visibility of your website also, because social media and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, they are all they should be pulling attention to your website. You lead customers from your social media account to your website. So from your website, they place order, or they decide to visit your location. All right. So okay, I think the same company that did your web, I think this their web this thing, even their own needs some work to be done also. All right. So, and I typed when African store in Brooklyn, so you can see that your website is not here. It's not included here. It's not included here. See this? Okay. See the way it is here. See the way it came down to this place. And this can be optimized in such a way that even when I searched when I Google your business name, you see you don't have Google Play local listing. You don't have local listing here. You don't have local listing, and it's one of the reasons why you are not appearing here. So you can see your competitors are already taking over this place. So you need to update this can be optimized in such a way that you can within this area, and you should also be among the places like this that can be seen also. Okay. You can see you don't have this is a lot of your competitors over there, and African stores, African food in Brooklyn, and still your name is not there. Booker, we have others. I think your website didn't even come up here at all. It doesn't even come up here at all, so it's not really representing you here. And the African food store in Brooklyn, I still type the same thing. You can still you see this our African market. See the way they are taking places. Anyway, you just search, they will always be there. This is the way you're supposed to optimize your own too. See, their website is coming here, though if it's coming last there, but at least here they've taken third position, which is a bit good to their business. And the African kitchen in Brooklyn, you can see I searched them, and the kitchen is not you are not there. No, you are not there. So this can be optimized. You need to do some optimization on your website to really increase African restaurant in Brooklyn. Still the same thing. Your website is not here. You're not listed here. You can see Booker, and I saw Booker. We saw Booker the other time. So, and it still appear here also. Then I think African beauty products, which you are into also, is not here. Your website is not here. It's not listed among this place. And African market in Brooklyn, African market, you see this is see the way they are appearing here. See the way they are taking over. So definitely someone have seen them several times. You can decide to go to check out their website to see what they are doing. Okay. So the intent of all this thing is just to give you some insight of what you can be done on your website to really increase the visibility. And this is one of the 30 steps to local listing. These are the implementation that must be made on your website in order for you to stand up. See all this about 30 implementation need to be done on page element. There are all things about Google, top business directories where you need to build citations and even customer review and testimonials. There's a way you can build it because you have, and even website content and backlinking. You have a very good review on your Facebook. You have a very good on your Facebook, which you can use as a promotional tip to your business. And these are some of the other things that can be done about 33-point SEO checklist that you need to really implement all these things to really come up for. So all these things they are listed down here. Things that can be done on your website in order to stand out among your peers and still win. Okay, some analysis taken from Vancouver in Canada. You see the page speed is 94 because it's not containing much. See your total website 231 kilobytes. Can you imagine? And you're paying for your hosting, you're paying for your domain. The only thing that you've not gotten is security. And see, there's nothing inside. 1.2 seconds to load this. Okay, 231 kilobytes. It's not even up to 1 megabyte. You don't even have up to 1 megabyte. So it's really wasting. It's really wasting the space there. And look at it's a bit mobile friendly. You can see 61/100. See, you can check the mobile look, and the website, the desktop look is very fine, which is 86 over. So, and listed down are some of the improvements that can be made in order for your website to really stand out among others. And if you check some of the You can see how the way the loading goes, and see the size of the image. The size of the image, see, you can see the a lot of space that is taking. So the images there need to be optimized in a bit in order for them to really load faster and still be good. And looking at your score is 61 when compared to African markets, because of there's no much, you don't have much there, you don't really have much, so it's loading very fast. So because if you check the three most popular search engines, Google, Bing and Yahoo, see at top 10 and top 100, this is just exactly what your position. And the link, you just have one link which is not very satisfying. You can see value food Africa market, this is exactly your title. And there's a robot text there. Like I said earlier, is your domain in more than years, is 2 years. Your domain is 2 years from analysis here, and actually it's been submitted to Bing. And so some of the corrections that need to be done for your website to really increase. One of our paid our analysis tools that we've checked to analyze some of them, and we have analyzed the external. There's no external. You can say just two links. This guy that designed the webs, he put his, and Google APIs. So those are the only two external links you have there. The guy that did your website, that is maybe is actually using that as a promote for his own thing. So, and protocols, but let me just go to the ones you can understand a bit. You can see these are the page titles. You have the Value African Food Store, or see the page titles, and the title length. The title length is 26, which can be increased. At least 56 is okay. All right, and there's no meta description there. You can see you have zero meta description. You have the title. You see there's no meta descriptions. And how can search engines see all this when you don't have all this kind of value to tell search engine that this website really worth showcasing to people when they type it? And there's no meta keywords. There's no meta keywords here. You can see 00. There's no meta keyword here. According to this report, there's no meta keyword. And the H1, I think you have few H1 there. Welcome African free location, and the H1, it don't really matter. It's not really important. The only one you can see beauty products H1, that is good. Something like African food, African restaurant, maybe a particular product you sell, they should come in H1, so that it can be seen very easy. So H2, it's only one. Why value African food, African market, that is the only one that has H2. And the images you have there, you see the images, and if I click any of the images, I don't think there is no okay, there's alternate. This alternate text message is text. It doesn't really represent, because I think it's only one. I think it's only the even Value African, still the same images. So this thing needs to be optimized if you really want your website to become up first. Okay, if you really want to stand among your competitors, we have taken a very good look and compare it with others too, and you've been able to discover many things that you are not doing. Definitely you are not doing it. Just the same way you are taking your location serious, you should try to take your online serious too also, so that at least to stand out. Because even if you don't want to do it, remember that your competitors, they're already out there doing it. So they are doing it. They are getting customers online. They're getting clients online. Let's take an example of a company that we manage here, Feco Food. And also you can also do it your website can also be done in such a way that you can always know this number of people that visited my website this month. This is the what they clicked. This is where they are coming from. Is it from Facebook, from Instagram, or wherever they are coming from, or is it direct search? Is it search engine? You can really know, have it, feeling the life in your website every day. Maybe at the end, every 7 days, or at the end of every month, you just check your website, see, okay, this is where I need improvement. If a product is receiving more click or more attention, you can use that one as a kind of promo or coupon. Buy this, get this, buy this, get that. Kind of or buy and take off 5% decrease in something like that. So look at one of the companies that we manage, Feco Food. Just type in Feco Food here. You can see we are the leading and registered African food supplier. Branding and packaging company. We supply. You see the listing, local listing here. So everything about this page here is all about Feco Food. You can see all their products. Everything about them here is their product. So it's really representing. See, one of the keywords they are optimized for. See, African food product supply. Just type it on Google and you see them coming first. You see them coming second here. So everything about here is Feco Food, and it's even pulling their listing in here. Among other, and even some of the image of their products. okay, before others. And the second one, African foodstuff supplier. African foodstuff supplier. They are coming here and see the importance of meta description. See, we are the leading and register. So that is the meta description. You see the FECO food companies coming up here first. So you can definitely check this thing, because you check it if you are the one searching for it, because you consider that since the Google is able to put them first, let me see what these people are talking about. Okay. And then that one, African foodstuff supply exporter. You see, after this, it came up second here. African foodstuff exporter. You see the way as in FECO food is still here. And best-selling African food products. You see, FECO food is still coming here. 50 best-selling African foodstuff products you must have in your store, something like that. So you can see them here. You can see because it is included in their meta description, and that is why you see the way they are displaying very well and very good. And the guide to import food items from Nigeria, they are still coming here first. Okay. So actually, your website can be done more. In fact, you just need to total redesigning. Let me just tell you, I need to be true to be real with you, because from the small analysis we just let you know. You see, you can see that your competitors, they are out there, enhancing their online visibilities. So you need total work to be done here, to really stand out. And you can see the company I work with, the Digital Innovations, Okotech Digital Innovations, Go Digital and Grow Sales, which is, so you can see here we have free. We actually offer free website SEO and SMO analysis. Here we do so many things like we assess your website, review, and here we now identify your primary personas, like what are the things that customer will search online, what are the things that they think they will search online, what are the locations, like African food store near me, African product near me, all those, what you think your buyers will really check online or they will want to check online. So we'll now use all those things to develop a smart goal, which you are going to use and upgrade and update your website. And considering your competitors too, we also need to review them and see what they are doing. Because developing a website, designing a website is something different, and optimizing it that for it to stand, it's something entirely, it's a different field. So you really need to bring in expert for this job to be done very well. All right. So, and prepare contact list and set. So these are some of the packages that we offer, which really promotes very cheap. You can see a lot of things to be done here. A lot of things to be done here. So many things to be done here, and their pricing is very considerate. Comparing like this one, you can decide to pay $300, $30, $300, $400, and I think $600, depending on what you want to get. Definitely, you can actually employ an IT expert and be paying him or her this amount of money. Still, they will not really do anything. And compare these services to what you have outside there, over there. You will know that at least this African-owned business company they're really putting it, because we are in partner with FECO Food in such a way that definitely you can also get interested in Africa. FECO Food supplying some of African food stuff food to you also. So that's why the prices are here. So we really partner together with this company in order to be able to be promoting and our customer service online. All right, so definitely you can see the charges here is not the list of things. These are the things that need to be done for you to stand out. So I believe that this short video has been a bit helpful for you, and I really encourage you to try and work on your website. Even if you don't really want to hire us, please look for someone else that can do that for you in order for you to stand out. And remember, if you are not ready for that, or you don't want to do so, your competitors that are already out there, And thank you so much. And if you need our assistance, you can check your mail or our contacts to know if there's any way we can help you with your business. Thank you very much, and God bless you.